everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Infosys System Engineer, which is for 3.6 LPA, and this is also an on-campus placement which is occurred in December 2024, and this video on technical ability questions. Okay, before going into the video, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, let us going into the video. The first question from technical ability is, in a certain code language, song is coded as 110. What is movie coded as? Okay, here is the explanation. Okay, the sum of alphabet positions gives rise to 55. Then multiply the obtained answer with 2. Then we will get 110. Okay, in this way you can get the song for 110. Then in the same way you have to add up the positions of movie and then multiply with 2, then you are going to get 120 as your answer. Okay, then option A is your correct answer. That is the thing with this question. If you are able to understand, so that hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, let us going into the another question. Okay, 6 boys A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row, not necessarily in a given order. There is only one magazine that circulates from first to sixth person. The first person being at extreme left, one can hand over the magazine only to a person who is sitting next to him. The following are some of the points known to about the group. Okay, these are the conditions so that you can arrange them in a circular order. Okay, B cannot pass paper to from C. Okay, B cannot take the paper from C. That means C B shouldn't sit right to the C, right? Then C sits first in a row. Then D cannot take the paper from C. A cannot hand over the paper to anybody. D does not pass paper to A. Okay, these are the conditions. Then your question is, if D is sitting third position, then E is sitting at which position? Okay, by the given things I have framed that thing. Okay, here is the circular arrangement. Okay, C, E, D, B, F, A. Then what is your question? Let us see your question. If D is sitting at third position, then E is sitting at which position it is asking for? Okay, then third position is D. Then which position is E? That means he will occupy the second position if D sits in third place. Okay, that is the answer for this question. And some questions are based on this only. Okay, we have got the arrangement based on the conditions. Now your question is, from whom does D take the magazine? Okay, from whom D takes the magazine? See, so E will occupy the second position and D takes the magazine from E. Okay, as the first position is C, it circulates from C to A, so D takes from E, right? Okay, that is the answer for this question. Okay, now let us moving into the fourth question. Find the next number in this series: 8, 24, 12, 36, 18, 54. Okay, here it is increasing as well as decreasing. Then what you have to find here? Plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. Well, it is incrementing drastically, then it is multiplied with 3. Okay, in that order you are going to get 26 as your answer. Okay, here is the explanation so that it makes you understand very easily. I hope you got it. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe so that it motivates me. Okay, let us going into the question, that is fifth question. In how many ways can 5 men and 5 women be seated around a circular table having 10 seats, such that no man is seated next to another man and no woman is seated next to another woman? Okay, in that way, then here is the explanation. Okay, M for men and W for women in a circular arrangement. We should fix a reference. Okay, first we are going to fix a reference. See, in this way you are going to see M is fixed. That means men are fixed. That means in alternate way they are seated. M, 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 M. Then in middle you will get the woman. Then how many ways they can be arranged. Okay, 5 minus 1 factorial, and women can be arranged in 5 factorial. So number of ways is 4 factorial into 5 factorial. That is the answer for this question. If you want, have a screenshot. In my next video I am going to give another 5 questions from technical ability. Before that, stay tuned and make yourself subscribe to my channel and hit a like, so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Until then, thank you, and consider doing subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.